This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G model, and today we will demonstrate how you can extend the random access memory amount on this device. So first of all, you need to launch the settings. Next, enter the battery and device care category. In here, you want to go for this memory section and tap on it. At the memory page, you'll be able to see this RAM Plus feature that you want to tap on, and at this page simply choose for how much you would like to increase your random access memory amount. So you can go for 2 GB of extra RAM, 4, 6 or 8. Let me just choose 8 as the option that I would like to go for. After you set some value, simply tap on the Restart Now option, and right after your smartphone gets rebooted, you'll be able to see that the changes that we have just made take an effect. Alrighty, so our phone has been successfully restarted. Let me just enter the SIM card PIN code, and now we can simply go into the settings, then the battery and device care category, go into the memory, and as you can see, the ROM Plus very visually shows that we have successfully expanded our random access memory amount for 8 GB. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.